Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make antiseptic shower gel at home. If you're new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Antiseptic shower gel, also known as bathing liquid soap or toilet soap, has the capacity to destroy or prevent the growth of bacteria on the human skin. Antiseptic soap is usually fortified with germ or bacteria killing substances. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to produce an antiseptic shower gel at home. But before we go through the production proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this production. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Antiseptic shower gel can be made from the following materials. These are nitrosol, sodium tripolyphosphate, also known as STPP, sodium bicarbonate, sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS, chloroxylenol, tapinol, glycerin, vitamin E, sodium benzoate, color, and perfume. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 15 to 20 liters of antiseptic shower gel. Nitrosol 120 gram, sodium tripolyphosphate, also known as STPP 170 gram, sodium bicarbonate 340 gram, chloroxylenol 40 ml, sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS 500 gram, tapinol 10 ml, glycerin 40 ml, vitamin E 40 ml, sodium benzoate 3 tablespoons, color 40 gram, and perfume 20 ml. Now these are the materials. This is nitrosol and this is sodium bicarbonate. This is sodium tripolyphosphate, also known as STPP. This is sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS. This is chloroxylenol and this is tapinol. This is color. This is glycerin. This is vitamin E. This is perfume, and this is sodium benzoate. So here we're going to be producing between 15 and 20 liters of shower gel. Now measure some water into a bucket. Now dissolve the nitrosol in water. As you dissolve the nitrosol in the water, stir very hard so as to avoid lumps. Please note that during dissolution of nitrosol, it is capable of forming lumps easily, if not stirred very well. Now dissolve the sodium bicarbonate in water and add to the nitrosol solution. Now you can dissolve your sodium tripolyphosphate in water and add it to the content. Now you can dissolve your sodium lauryl sulfate, also known as SLS, and add it to the bucket content. Stir very well and ensure that the SLS particle dissolves completely before adding it to the solution. SLS particles usually takes time to dissolve. You can now add your chloroxylenol. You can also add your glycerin. Here we are adding vitamin E. Now dissolve your sodium benzoate and add it to the solution. Sodium benzoate here is acting as preservative. You can also add your tapinol. Now you can dissolve your color and add it to it. Make sure you select a color that is appealing to the user. can also add your perfume. In the same vein also, make sure you select a perfume that is inviting. The beauty of shower gel largely lies in the color and perfume. The color should be appealing while the perfume should be inviting. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your homemade antiseptic shower gel is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can also visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.